We got Autozone Cars and Coffee. We're gonna get straight into it. We got the Camaro Z28. Y'all saw this car on my previous video. On the previous video after that. This one bad machine, man. Then you got Penny Car. I'm finna drop a video out on that. Y'all gonna get that video before y'all get this one. So I ain't even gotta show that car. See it. I wanna record a husband car, but it's a stick. I ain't got time for it. But you see, he got the United States flag just like she got hers. See. I want to thank y'all for the 2K subs. Everybody who be watching my videos, make sure y'all like on every video and make sure y'all comment on every video. And if y'all comment, I do reply back to everybody's comment. They caught out quick, boy. Z06. Look like a Z06. Man, you gotta have that motherfucker playing too. Got a 383. Hold on. Then you got Rodney right here. The GT500. I love this car. Look at John. Old John. You got that nice hot rod over there too.
There he is.
What's up, John?
Hey. How you doing, man?
What's up now?
Hey, good to see you.
Good to see you too, John. That boy clean too. Hey, look at James and his wife, you know. What's up, James? What up, James? How y'all feel?
I heard you had a close call yesterday.
Then it took me out, man.
I heard that shit.
I got it all on film too.
Did you really?
He was literally like instant. Like my foot was up almost up under his rim. Yeah. So what he did was he put his foot on the brake, and next thing you know, his foot just slipped and he just hit the gas. He was mad as hell though. Like he was super mad.
I'm sure he was.
But the other car, he only had a baby scratch. That's all he had was a baby scratch. I hate it happened though. Man. I love that car. Oh. Probably gonna fit. Can't go wrong with a Dr. Pepper. Old John. The C3. Oh, hot rod. Sound goody too. Oh, snap. Got the relaxing tree. Hey, look at that little, it's like a little tuner thing to keep it running or something like that. some people don't be realizing, man. It's good to get to know everybody, man. Especially in the car community. When you get to knowing people, man, it get you a long way. What's up, Bill? Oh, Lord. Boy got that tan interior, G. What's up, Bill?
Hey, that's a hard working man.
What's up? How you doing, Bill?
You fixing to marry that girl?
See, some people don't be realizing, man. It's good to get to know everybody, man. Especially in the car community. When you get to knowing people, man, it get you a long way. What's up, Bill? Oh, Lord. Boy got that tan interior, G. What's up, Bill?
Hey, that's a hard working man.
What's up? How you doing, Bill?
You fixing to marry that girl?
Same car. Same car. I like that thing right there. We got them T-tops back there. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, look, he got some problems too. I had to get the hell out of Dodge.
I heard.
Yeah, that was gonna be the second one.
I heard you were dancing yesterday.
Look, I had an intuition, just get the hell out of the way, and I did.
Did you get pictures of the wreck yesterday?
Yeah.
You did?
I was filming the whole time it happened.
Have you put it online yet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I haven't seen that. So what did you think of our Ford show yesterday?
It was good. It was a lot than I expected, because when I passed by there yesterday, I was finna get out of work. I was like, damn, they up there early. Because I saw Bart, he was already up there. I was like, damn, what show got up there early?
Oh, shoot, Barth was there when I pulled up at 7:15.
Oh, dang. Because I passed y'all at 8:05.
Yeah. Yeah, 7:45 is when the gates opened up, and Philip was on there too, and we started registration at 8.
Oh, man. I was like, man, y'all already up there.
There's some nice cars underneath that awning, though.
Yeah. Especially that,
4501. That Reno?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my favorite.
What was that, though?
Yes, sir.
70s?
So what's he
That's
there
70.
for? Does that sound great?
Yeah,
you couldn't buy one that way. He had it built specifically that way. But full 29 boss and a Trina with a 5-speed. That thing would be something to drive.
Get you 45 minutes to an hour.
Well, I love them cars.
It's lived a hard life. Yeah, we're looking at the body. Pretty car though. It was one of those 15 feet away cars. You got across about a block. It really looks nice.
I don't even know how many cars was there yesterday. It was a lot, though.
We had like 65, I think.
Because I recorded every last car was there.
Yeah.
Hey, the purple hot rod truck.
And, had barbecue, live DJ. We try to do it up. We gave way over $1,000 for the door project.
Oh, dang.
I heard Bishop had a pretty good show too, though.
Yeah, they had over 40-some cars there yesterday.
Yeah. I heard it pick up.
All right, that little purple hot rod. Yeah, we're going to smell good. Then next thing you know, we're going to have to try it on. We're going to keep spraying it. We're going to spray it every time.
Every day.
Whoop. Check this out. We're gonna record these little couple cars right here, then we're gonna leave.
Let's go share some perfume.
Yeah, we're gonna try some perfume.
Hey. Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. It's gonna be alright.
What is that on the floor?
I don't know. What that is. See the little dog skeleton? It's a little dog skeleton.
Yeah. Look at that nice car, Papa.
That's a little hot rod.
Yeah.
Hold on, we got a couple more cars. We just got that little 4 cars right there. Yeah, there we're gonna leave.
Yeah. Try some perfume.
Yeah, we're gonna try some perfume on.
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah, I gotta try something on. Cause I gotta smell good too.
It's Sunday today.
Huh?
It's Sunday today.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
Yeah. We gotta be married today.
Yeah? I'm gonna get you a sucker.
Sucker.
Yeah, pick you a sucker. Yeah.
I picked Halloween.
You gonna pick Halloween?
Yeah.
Now we finna go try on some perfume.
Yeah.
Yeah.